Hello you guys, and we are back for another video, and today we are making a big pastel de nata. We are well known for our pastel de nata, and today I will show you how I make my tarte de nata, which is a bigger size of a pastel de nata. So let me show you how I do that.
Get yourself a baking dish. Because I love a flaky tart, I always add 2 bases of puff pastry together and add them to my dish. With your hand, carefully press your puff pastry to your dish. Once you've pressed your puff pastry into place, you're just going to use a rolling pin to go across the excess on top of your dish so it looks very neat. And it's just easy to take the excess off. Cut around your baking paper. A fork, press holes into your puff pastry. Put your dish to the side and let's start on the filling. In a pan, add your sugar and your cornstarch and 2 whole eggs. Add 4 yolks. Once you get a creamy consistency, you will add your milk and your cream. Mix everything together until it becomes very nice and creamy. Add 1 cinnamon stick and a couple of peels of lemon. At this point, you will put your stove on. Keep beating your mixture until it thickens up. Once your mixture is thickened up, you want to take away your lemon peels and your cinnamon stick. And now you're ready to add your mixture to your base. Tap your mixture so it gets set in your base. Now it goes in the oven at 180 degrees for 35 minutes.
And there you go, you guys. Our custard tart is finished. It's so delicious and quick to make. All your loved ones will love it. Have a go. Let me know how you get on. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.